What's up, lovely people? Welcome back. So today I'm sharing this powerful detoxing, high in antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and nutrient dense juice recipe. So here I have all the ingredients. I'm using 3 golden delicious apples, 2 small lime, a small piece of ginger, 1 large beetroot, 2 cucumbers and 6 celery stalks. Everything has been washed and I'm cutting these up in the appropriate size that will fit the juicer mouth. Depending on your juicer, cut these up in the appropriate size. If you're new to this lifestyle and you want to incorporate more veggies into your diet, juice them or make smoothies. And especially if you don't like the taste of veggies or you simply don't have the time to sit down to a big bowl of salad. Some people are concerned with losing the fiber when they juice, but there are so many things you can make with the fiber. You can make desserts or even burgers. Alright? And unless you're on a juice cleanse, you will want to balance this out with your other meals throughout the day. So everything is prepared and ready to juice, and there's no set order in juicing these. You can juice them in whichever order that you want. This is the first half of the juice. I'm going to strain it and then juice the rest. This recipe makes a little over 8 cups of juice, but if you're making this for yourself, you can make a smaller amount. Alright, and that's it, lovely people. This juice was amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all try and enjoy the recipe. And until next time, have a wonderful weekend and bless upon yourself.